Hollis from Hollis' IC Lab, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm doing part 4 of building a homemade IC F1 race car. So I haven't been posting a lot. I filmed this a little while ago, but never really got around to editing it. So I'll be posting a lot more videos now. So you can look forward to those in the next few days. Also, I've made a new intro, which you could probably see was like updated projects and stuff, which you'll probably be able to see how this will look at the end of this video in the intro. I'm trying to decide what else I'm going to do this RC car after this video too. I'm trying to decide if I should like paint it or like cover it and like I don't know. So right now I'm just working on the front whatever it's called. And making nicer, so I'm just doing that. In the next few days, I'll be having I built a flight test IC plan. I recorded a quick video of me building, and then I'm flying around. I also got a RunCam camera I'll be doing a review of. So, it's not like the newest model of RunCam camera. It's RunCam 2, but it's still a really good camera, so I'll be doing a review of that in the next few days. So you can look forward to that. So now I think I'm just making the thing that goes around the wheels. Well, yeah, sorry I'm not doing the best voiceover right now. I filmed this like over a month ago. Yeah, I'm building that wheel thingy majiggy. I don't know. So I'm just cutting that out. Make it fit in. If there's any videos or stuff or something you'd like me to build, you can also leave a comment in it, because I'll need a new project since this one's almost done. So any ideas for future videos, you can leave them in the comments. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate if you do, because on my statistics it says 98% of my viewers are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you guys are not subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you do subscribe. I'll be trying to post more in the future and not just post like once every 5 months or something like that, because my schedule for posting has not been the best. I'm sorry about that. So I'm just putting electrical tape over the seams, which was probably not a good idea. I'll probably have to go back over that and put duct tape, because electrical tape doesn't stick the best to like cardboard and stuff. It's made for electrical wires, hence it's called electrical tape. But I didn't have any duct tape at the time of making this video. So I'm just working on making a piece for the back that holds up like the spoiler and stuff. And as I'm building this, I'm also kind of looking at a picture of a Formula 1 race car, like, not really, it's just roughly based off. So, like a real Formula 1 race car would be a lot smaller and have better aerodynamics and stuff like that. So now I'm just working on making the cover to go for it, because I just made the two sides for the spoiler holder thing. So I'm working on making the other sides for it. Yeah, that, I don't know. So, and then I'm also making sure that I can still open, because I want to be able to like access the battery, the electronics and stuff, because my home built ESC is not exactly the most reliable. It hasn't broken down yet. I'm thinking it's only a matter of time. I don't know. But I have driven it a lot and it haven't broken down. So I'll probably be trying to figure out how to build like better ESCs, or just buying some. I don't know. But this home built one, it does work. It's just one speed basically, and I'm really not sure how reliable it is. I've been using it for about 2 months actually, so It's not bad. So now I'm just cutting and making so that can open right there, and then it goes flush with the back. I probably should not have added that, just added like some skinnier thing, so it wouldn't have made that giant bump, but whatever. So now I'm building like the spoiler itself, I'm pretty sure. I'm cutting out the spoiler now. And then I'm just like figuring out where the middle is so I can figure out which is the position. And then I'm gluing it in place. And I'm cutting it down and then gluing it in place because I decided it was too tall or something, I don't know. And then I've glued it in place. So that's about all for this video, so I hope you enjoy. Wait, no, I'm cutting this. So that's all for this video. Bye.